According to the Constitution of South Africa, every child has the right to education, with its preamble stating that the country belongs to all those in it. For years, the bone of contention has been the context of these declarations. With undocumented immigrants having access to grants, education and healthcare services, some civic organizations have cried foul at this, calling for the prioritization of South African citizens.
Based on that 2014 case law, so it's going to be difficult to sideline those people, so meaning our communities will continue to suffer. The last part of your question, the Addington school, it's completely unfair. We don't support such things to say we prioritize foreign nationals ahead of the South Africans. So we support what those civic movements are doing in KZN.
We are getting failed by the parliament, the legislatures. We are as South African citizens, and I'm afraid that when this happens, time will come when South Africans will say enough is enough, and therefore they will not recognize any law that's oppressing them.
With the Home Affairs losing some cases involving undocumented foreign nationals, civic movements have called on the government to review the constitution. Some have cited the case of Ashibo versus Minister of Home Affairs and others in 2023, where the Constitutional Court ruled that the applicants may not be deported until they have had an opportunity to show good cause for entering or residing in the country illegally. The Department of Home Affairs says it is working on dealing with undocumented children and adults in the country, as this creates challenges with regards to access to education, social development and other services.
The white paper seeks to reform the pathway to citizenship, and particularly by foreigners, because in this country currently, when people acquire citizenship, they go through different stages, your temporary resident visa, your permanent resident visa, and up to your period when you acquire citizenship. So where we are as government is that we want to make changes to that, but the current situation obviously that is prevailing is that there's been previous court rulings around the admission of children to schools.
In keeping with the directive from Cabinet to maximize public participation beyond the festive season, the period for public comment will be open until January the 31st of this year. Kamohelo Tsotetsi, SABC News, Bloemfontein.